Hey guys, welcome back to Talking eBay. Today I'm going to show you some bubble I ordered. I want to show you what they look like. It's two big rolls. These are 700 total feet on these rolls. Each one of them is 350 feet, as you can see here. These are actually really nice. I like these. They work quite well. Actually very reasonable. You need a bubble if you're going to work in this industry. You need packing materials. These are super important. I'm going to leave a link down below where you can get these. I definitely highly recommend them. It is a small affiliate link. I do get a small commission. It costs you nothing. It just helps my channel out. I do appreciate that. But I really wanted to show you what I really do. So these bubbles are super important. I pack everything super well because I don't want any damage. Now, if you're packing things and they're getting damaged, it's because you're not putting the time and the care into packing your items. There's some extra paper, like extra cardboard here if I have to fill in. I have the eBay paper, eBay bags, eBay send me bags. You can also order them, eBay tissue, everything I need to make it work well. I have all my packing materials, my guns here, scissors, tape. Here's an extra roll for something small. Don't be afraid to use the bubble. It's going to save you in the long run for something being damaged. Here's a cardboard cutter. I use that to cut the cardboard. So don't be afraid to use bubble, bubble, bubble. Now, I know it's not the cheapest, but honestly, I think for Amazon, this is probably the best deal I've seen in a long time. It was like $38 with free shipping for 700 feet. Now, each one of these rolls comes 12 inches across here, and they're perforated every 12 inches. So you can use as much or as little as you want, but definitely don't cheap out on packing. I don't care if it's bubble, newspaper. Well, newspaper's kind of funky. People don't like newspaper. It gets dirty on their hands, but don't do that. But, use good quality paper. Peanuts, packing peanuts, paper, tissues, bubble. Don't be afraid to pack. And also, I always have used boxes. You can see here a ton of used boxes. This is downstairs in my basement area. You can see I have a ton of boxes. I save everything because you just never know. I always use boxes. People don't care about that. People aren't upset about that. Use the boxes. It's okay. But basically, the main lesson today is buy bubble. It's reasonable now. End of the year, you need a business write-off. Get it now. It's a great deal. I'll leave a link down below. It is an affiliate link. Like I said, they get a small commission. But I think this is super important, guys. It doesn't matter. If you don't pack it right, it's going to get there broken, and you're going to have problems. And the idea behind eBay is no problems, easy transition, easy sale. Keep working, keep moving forward. Also, check out my Talking eBay podcast on my channel to help you grow on your eBay journey business. So this is just a quick video about this item, the bubble. I just got another set in, as you can see, and I use this probably every month and a half. I order another one, 2 months. I pack things really well, so I don't want them to break, and you don't want yours to break either. So I appreciate your time as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of content. I really do appreciate your time as always. Just a quick 3-minute video. Have a great day and have a great holiday season, and Happy New Year. Talk to you later.